Hello friends, my name is Yashviraj Shah, a member of ECEL ADIT, and today I am going to present before you the next topic of our self-fabrication series. The name of the topic is How to Find Your Strength. Overview of the chapter. What is strength? Why one should find their strength? Workplace strengths. Why should one be aware of their strength? Why one should know and conquer their weaknesses and convert them into their strength. Ways to find your strength. To understand all this topic well, we need to first understand and answer a very fundamental question, that is, what is strength? Most people will say that strength is something I am good at, but in reality, it is much more. Strengths are tasks and actions that you can do with your knowledge, skill, and talent at use. Why one should find their strengths? Every person has different sets of strengths. Some are wise, creative, curious. Some can be courageous, brave, persistent, hardworking, etc. By reflecting on your strengths and analyzing how you can use them in your day-to-day life, you can make better career choices, educational choices, and plan your life better. If you are doing work that doesn't tap you into your greatest strengths, your performance and motivation will suffer along with your career. In contrast, when you are aligned with your talents and interests, you gain a wellspring of confidence and expertise, and you do a great work with a sense of purpose. It is also important that we address about workplace strengths. Workplace strengths are often defined in terms of competencies like teamwork, problem solving, or leadership. But self-knowledge should not be overlooked. Self-knowledge is a powerful tool that can help you apply your greatest strengths to various aspects of your job, in excelling your area of expertise to being a strong team collaborator and a effective leader. If you are looking to advance your career, assessing and leveraging your strengths is one of the most critical things you can do. Knowing your strengths well will help you achieve your aims, goal, and eventually succeed in life. It will also help you reach great heights, boost your self-confidence, and keep motivating you. Why one should be aware of their strength? We should be aware of our strength to know ourselves better and thus make a right decision for ourselves. Often, one is unaware of the strengths, and hence, when subjected to a tough situation, they do not know how to manage or react. Our strength makes us unique from the rest of the population. It gives us an identity to be known for and to nurture to flourish further. But often we have heard of strength turning into a weakness that could be exploited in a way that it stands between a person and their happiness. To be humble is a key to nurture the strength in us, in a way that it becomes our companion throughout life. Why should one know and conquer their weaknesses and convert them into strength? Fear is the ultimate weakness, but by taking small steps towards facing that fear, you too can learn to overcome it. No matter what your weaknesses are, there is a way to change the behavior pattern or turn a personality flaw into a strength. You have to be willing to admit to yourself that you are not infallible, not perfect, and have faults. Ways to find your strength. To recognize your strengths and understand how they influence your work, you have to spend your time collecting information about when and how you succeed. There are many different methods for learning about your strength, and it is important to research them from a variety of perspectives so that you can effectively apply those strengths in various workplace scenarios. Use these two steps as a guide for identifying your strength at work. Number 1. Listen to what others say you are good at. Ask yourself that what skills do people compliment and appreciate about you. For this, you can take opinion of your friends, colleagues, family members who can easily see your strength within you which you haven't noticed yet and point it out to you. For example, If you receive positive feedback on your listening skills, creativity, or command of details, pay attention to it. Also ask them about your weaknesses and make a note of it. With hard work and concentration, you can change your weaknesses into your strengths. Number 2. Know your passion and the things you love to do. When you enjoy doing something, it is often easier to sharpen your skills in that field and to develop them into your key strengths. Think about what you enjoy doing most, and when you spend time practicing those activities, pay extra attention to the broad skills that you use during each activity. While some people are naturally talented in certain areas, anyone can grow their strengths with time. Understanding your natural talent and passion can help you determine where you are most willing to put the work to be an expert. For example, if you love to write but don't get a chance to do much more work, you need to explore writing opportunities in your current position. You can try writing your blog, you can be active on social media, you can give your opinions there, you can write articles, give speeches, etc. Knowing where your gifts and passions lie is essential in creating a career map that plays to your greatest strengths. Friends, as we all know that we are in the middle of a pandemic, everyone is facing some or the other problems. But I want that you should remember that strength does not come from winning. Your struggle develops your strength. When you go through hardships and decide not to surrender, that is your strength. Thank you all for listening to me, and I hope that you have found something useful and informative which you can apply to your life. Stay tuned with eCell ADIT for more such videos. Thanks.